Well, I'm going to make an addendum to part 2 of 2 on the slice button. I suppose I'm jumping ahead a little bit, but in a way I'm not. So I'm going to go ahead and cover it. And it has to do with saving slices. If you wanted to know if Audioterm can make single cycle waves, the answer is yes. Alright, we're going to go back into KTERM. And we're going to go into slice because we're talking about that. And let's go ahead and make a sine wave. And that's in slice 0. Now you have to, I'm going to go slowly, you have to pay attention because it's not non-intuitive. Disk. And now we see that I am in the samples area. Okay. I don't want to save a sample, I want to save a single cycle wave. So file type. Single cycle is available to me. I will select it. Okay. Now we're on the screen that shows all the single cycles available to Audioterm. The save button is available. And this will be kind of shocking, it was to me. Single cycle saving dialog. Single cycle rendering. And here's the sine wave we made with that single harmonic. We have the same navigation buttons here to move through the slices. And we can save one slice. I can specify the number of bits. I'm going to leave it alone, 16 PCM, but I'll cycle through so you can see it. I do everything at 16 and 44.1 on my machine. Other people may do others. Polarity. I read somewhere a couple days ago that some people can hear polarity. Most people cannot. Samples. Alright. Audio data size samples. Alright. These are play buttons for wavetable and RAM. And all I've got for a wavetable is a sine wave and 32 empty slices. I don't know what's going to happen here. Okay, you could hear this the sine wave and then it faded into nothing. And if I play the slice, we're going to hear continuous sine wave because that's slice 1 is 0 is selected and it's got a sine wave. Kind of a bad example. It's pretty low volume. All right, we've covered these buttons. Output just plays what's here, and we're going to store this waveform now. Let's call it, I don't know, what do you want to call it? Sine something. That's not an I. I got an idea, let's call it sine wave. There it is, sine wave. And we've got a sine wave. Origin, KTERM. KTERM made this. And I didn't tell you, but I saved some of these other ones from earlier today. Alright, let's get out of here. We've discussed all these earlier. Okay, that's it for the addendum to part 2 of KTERM Slice.